We appeal to you to support us, especially the Secretariat. 1,000 Ghana cedis. Let's give a round of applause to our brother. He's giving us 2,000 Ghana cedis. Daddy, God bless you. Daddy, God bless you. Daddy, God bless you. He's giving us 2,000. And are you giving us 1,000 or 2,000? Anything no less than 1,000 Ghana cedis. 10 cedis 500 the car to and after the car. 10 cedis 500 the car after the car. And the academy only need $2. Dr. Kwasiba, in a person of the principal of St. Francis College of Education, is giving 1,000 Ghana cedis. Miabe, teacher, St. Francis College of Education. No, I didn't know. Que Roma hier gelijk akati me la pere kato. Sidi alofa ton le kotokwame doma hi balance na kono bi afiaime tawinami sidi alofa ton 500 Ghana cedis 500 Ghana cedis mile mokwa be mi abete mi atova ana 500 Ghana cedis steering committee for secretariat wa kodo foto me.
Minimum of 100,000 Ghana cedis. We don't have a secretariat. We have been celebrating this anniversary for the past 27 years, we don't have any secretariat. So the idea of farm is to use to develop the secretariat. So I will need all of you, your support, so that we'll be able to develop and establish our secretariat. Now, if we ever, if you are telling me, I just $5,000 Ghana cedis. Maintenant, yo, tu fais bien special guest now going to call 2022 Honorable Alan Lafonua. Everyone going to call Efian Piano, the Kakioki, the Tubio, Biano, Patimato, Epipito, Kukuru, Ayesu, Miaga no Mefino of Nico Miaganami. Kukuru, they've agreed to come back after the next 8 years. So let's say hey to them. Planning committee, Ramo Bete, Pradogara Zame, Anuvina is here, Agramana agreed to call planning committee. So, on his behalf,